Types of intercommunal relationship. 1. Alliance. Two or more communities work together for mutual benefit, often based on shared interests or common goals. 2. Conflict. Interaction characterized by tension, disagreement, or competition between communities with different interests or non-aligned common goals. 3. Coexistence. Community exists side by side, often with limited interaction but without active conflict. 4. Colonialism. That is, one community holds power over another, often involving dominance and exploitation. 5. Trade and commerce. Communities engage in economic interaction, exchanging goods and services. 6. Cultural exchange. That is, sharing of cultural practices, traditions, and ideas between communities. 7. Religious interaction. Community interacts based on religious beliefs, sometimes leading to syncretism or conflicts. 8. Migration and diaspora. That is the movement of community, often due to factors like war, economic reasons, or persecution. 9. Collaboration. Community collaborates on projects, initiatives, or social cause. All the aforementioned types of intercommunal relationship can overlap and evolve over time based on historical, social, and economic factors. Now, characteristics of communal society. 1. The community is usually small. 2. It is usually homogeneous in nature. 3. Majority of the people engage in primary activities like farming, fishing, and so on and so forth. 4. Majority of the people are not educated. 5. Houses are dispersed and may be separated by farmland. 6. Social relationships are personal and intimate. 7. There is a strong sense of communal responsibilities and group solidarity among members of each community.